Good morning, children. We are going to start a new chapter today. That is Chapter 7 I Love My Home. Children, this chapter is about two friends, Varun and Arif. I'm sure, children, you must also have a best friend, right? We all have friends. Now, who is a friend, children? A friend is someone who cheers me up. Now, here's an activity, a very interesting activity given on this page, wherein you have to match the sentence with the picture that goes best with it. Okay, so this you will do on your own. Like the first sentence says, a friend is someone who cheers me up. Now, with this sentence, which picture goes? This one. Right? Cheers me up meaning जो मुझे खुश कर देता है. So you will match this sentence with this picture like this. Okay, so similarly you will do the rest. Now we are going to start with the chapter. Varun was a little boy who loved to play. His friend Arif lived next door. Arif and Varun liked each other. They played together every day. Sometimes they sat together in Varun's rocking chair and read books. So, children, as I told you that this chapter is about two friends. And what are their names? Their names are Varun and Arif. So, Varun was a small boy who loved to play. And he had a friend named Arif who lived next to Varun's house. Now, both these boys were friends and they liked each other very much. They used to play together every day, and sometimes they even used to read books sitting on Varun's rocking chair. Now, children, rocking chair is what? Can you see this chair here? This is a rocking chair. Okay, it is a chair which is made in such a way that it moves forward and backwards. Okay. Now, Varun talked to his mother about the fun he always had at Arif's house. Arif talked Arif talked to his mother about Varun's house all the time. Now, children, both these boys used to tell their mothers about the fun they have at each other's house. दोनों अपनी मम्मा को बताते थे कि हमें बहुत मज़ा आया खेलने में साथ में. And Varun always liked to go to Arif's house to play with him. Mummy, Arif's mother could cook such tasty food. Arif has such lovely toys. One day, Varun's mother smiled and said, "Why don't you go to Arif's house and spend as much time as you want with him?" She helped Varun pack his things in a small bag. Now, children, who said these words? Do you know? Varun. Varun is saying these words that Mummy, Arif's mother cooks such tasty food. Now, Varun enjoyed the food cooked by Arif's mother. So, one day, Varun's mother tells Varun that why don't you go to Arif's house and stay there as much as you want? You can spend as much time with Arif as you want. Okay. Then Varun's mother also helps Varun pack his things in a small bag. Varun took the bag and ran down the road to Arif's house. So, children, what did Varun do? Varun happily packed his bag and went to Arif's house. You can even see in the picture how happily he is going to Arif's house. Arif was very happy to see Varun. He hugged him and said, "Come in, Varun. What is in the bag? Have you brought toys to play? Now Arif was also very happy to see Varun and he asked Varun to come inside. Now, seeing Varun with a bag, he asked him what is there in the bag. No, it has my clothes and other things. I have come to spend a lot of time with you, said Varun. So now Varun tells Arif that he has brought his clothes and some other things in the bag. And then Varun also informs Arif that he has come in to spend a lot of time with him. Good. Then we can play together all evening. Arif smiled. Now, hearing this, Arif smiles and becomes happy, thinking that they can play together all evening. The two friends played for some time. Then they read a book. Soon it was night and time for dinner. But Varun was not hungry. He did not want to eat. Children, do you know what all did Arif and Varun do? They played for some time and then after that they read a book. And then soon it was time for dinner. But Varun did not want to eat. He wasn't hungry. Do you know why Varun did not have dinner at Arif's house? Let's find out. I am missing my mother. I want to go back home. I want to go back to my own room. Bye, Arif, he said and ran back home. So children, Varun did not have dinner at Arif's house because he was missing his mother and he wanted to go home. When Varun reached home, he went to his mother's room. Mummy, I had fun playing with Arif, but I missed you a lot. So I have come back home, Varun said. So now Varun comes back to his home and tells his mother that he has come back because he missed her a lot. I am happy you have come back. I missed you too, said his mother. Varun had dinner and got into his own bed. Soon he fell asleep. He had a happy smile on his face. So children, Varun's mother also becomes very happy to have him back and tells him that she also missed him a lot. Okay children? So Varun was happy to be back with his mother in his own room and his mother was also happy to have him back. Okay? So now children, what you have to do is, that's all about the chapter. Now what you have to do is that you will read this lesson once again. Okay? On your own. And in the next class, we will do the book exercises. Alright children? So that's all for today. Thank you.